Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload any picture on the Instagram without the cropping. So process is pretty simple in this way. In this video I will show you two ways to do this. So first of all, open your Play Store and you have to search for the ScareQuick. Once you will search for it, you have to download this application and you can simply make a border with your picture to upload it on the Instagram without cropping it. Other way is that if you don't want to download any kind of the application on your phone, simply go back and you have to open your browser and you have to search for the capping. Tap on it and you have to click on the capping video edit create. Tap on this link. Now you can simply click on the start editing, or you can simply from here click on the resizer. So this is the way you can upload the picture on the Instagram without cropping that picture. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.